Lonergan was in court this morning for the first time since a couple of explosive revelations concerning witnesses for the prosecution. KARE 11's Lou Raguse breaks down what the sides argued about in court.
Trooper Ryan Lonergan's defense wants to receive as many materials as possible stemming from a use of force expert the prosecution retained at the beginning of the case. And at the end of today's hearing, Judge Tamara Garcia told the lawyers to try the case in the courtroom, not in the court of public opinion. Trooper Ryan Lonergan's appearance in court was the first since the revelation that the prosecution's use of force expert Jeff Noble told them in his initial analysis that Lonergan's actions using deadly force to kill Ricky Cobb appeared to be reasonable to prevent his partner from being dragged.
That use of force expert.
Defense attorney Chris Maddle wants to subpoena Noble's notes and draft report directly from him instead of relying on the Hennepin County Attorney's Office to provide it through the discovery process. The defense accuses prosecutors of not turning over all the required materials. Judge Garcia did not make any rulings in the hearing, but she did seal an affidavit written by Lonergan's State Patrol use of force trainer, who now says prosecutors quoted him out of context in the criminal complaint. Judge Garcia told the lawyers not to publicly file exhibits like that unless they do so at a hearing. Quote, "Let's try this case in the courtroom, not in the court of public opinion," Judge Garcia said. After the hearing, a statement from the Hennepin County Attorney's Office says in part, "We were grateful for the judge's order today that will not allow filings that are intended to influence the public in the press." The next court hearing is scheduled for April 29th, and that's where we expect potentially more significant arguments to be made, as the defense has signaled that they'll file a motion to dismiss the charges. Back to you.